Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install Google tracking code that will enable you to track conversions on your Google Ads account. Then in the next video I'm going to show you like how to put all of this in your Google Ad account and track conversions. Some of these conversions can be lead forms, sales, and so on. So for you to do this, you have to open tagmanager.google.com and go to create account and create a tag account. I already have one for myself, but let me show you how to create one real quick. You go to tap on create account, it's going to open this up. You put your account name, the country, and container name. Container name necessarily doesn't have to be site. So if you are wanting to track conversion for websites, you can just choose web if it is iOS or Android or isolated mobile pages. But we go with web and you tap on create to create your account. But since I already have like an account, I don't need another account to create. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you where to copy the header body tags to add to your site so that you can track conversions. This is really a quick video, so I open up my own tag manager, and on the top of the page you can see tag manager, my container name, you can see workspace, versions, and admin. So this is my tag. If I tap on it, if I click on it, like it's going to bring out header and body tags. So I'm going to show you how to add the header and the body tags to your website. So let's go over to the website I want to add this to. I already have a tracker on it. So go over to plugins. And you go to add new plugins in your WordPress website, right? So you go to add new plugins. I want to make this video as fast as possible so you don't it doesn't waste your time. It's straight to the point how to add a tracking code, a Google Ads tracking code to your website. So you go to add new and you search for header footer code manager. The search term is HFCM. You enter and you can see it's going. I already have it on this side, so it's going to come up and you have to just install it and activate it. When you install and activate it, it's going to show on your dashboard as HFCM. So you type out HFCM. If I show you all of snippets, you see that I already have like codes in place. I already have codes in place that I'm using to currently run an ad for this client. And let's see that. So as you can see, I already have like my Google Tag Manager header code and body code, but I want to add another code. So like this is the code you need to add to your website. Let's go back to like the Tag Manager. So you can see this is the Tag Manager and this is the code you need to add to your website. You have to copy this and insert it into your HFCM plugin. So I'll go back to the website and I want to add new. So I'll add new. I'll scroll up and I'll tap on add new snippet. So if you scroll down HFCM, you come to your website, you go to plugins and you install HFCM header footer code manager. That's the full name. I'll add new snippets. So I'm not going to really add the new snippets, I just want to show you how to do it yourself. So I'm going to add new snippet. I'm going to call it whatever I'm going to call it, and I'm going to leave this as default HTML. I'm going to leave this as default. I'm not going to exclude any pages. I'm not going to exclude any posts. And since this is like the header tag, I'm going to install it as header, right? I'm going to install it as header, show on all devices active. This is snippet code. I'll tap on it. I want to copy this. I'll tap on this to copy, and it has copied. I'll come here, right click, and paste. As soon as I do right click and paste, I'll save it. After I had named it, whatever I want to name it. Leave all of this as default. It's already header, so I'll just save it. So let's go back to. I'm not going to save this because I already have snippets and I don't want to confuse the ads that I'm already running for this business. So let's go back to the body tag, right? We want to add the body tag. So I'll copy this. This is the body. I'll copy this and I'll come to snippets again. I'll come to add new snippets, and you're going to see it's going to open up. So once it's open up, I'll name this body tag for whatever ad I'm running. I'll leave this as default. And I'll come here and choose footer. Since there is no body, the location doesn't show like body, so I'm going to choose footer this time instead of the header that I chose the last time. I'm going to come here and paste the footer tag, and I'll click on save. Once you do that, you come back to all snippets, and you're going to see that it has saved. As you can see, I have like my 2 tags here. Or then another thing is I can still save the body tag as header without changing anything here. I can save the body tag as, instead of me to change it to footer, I can still change and save it as header. It's still going to work like the same way to track the conversion. So this is how you can insert your tracking code to your WordPress or your Google Tag Manager tracking code to your WordPress website. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add it to your Google Ads account so that you can properly track conversions for your website. So this is going to help you like set up tracking on your Google Tag Manager. As you can see, on my Google Tag Manager, I have about, if I tap on the live versions, we have 6 live versions, we have 11 variables, we have 2 triggers and 2 tags. So I'm going to be showing you how to do all of this in the next video coming up, probably next week, or probably 2 weeks from now, or 3 weeks from now. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. My name remains Jonah. Please do follow me, like and subscribe so that more people can see this video and it will reach a greater number of people to grow my channel. See you in the next video. And for those of you that would like to learn how to run Google Ads properly, check the link below in this video, as there is a course that you can take. And disclaimer, that link is an affiliate link, so if you decide to purchase, I might receive a commission from it. See you in my next video.